All right, what's up, YouTube? We are on chapter 2 of the Bootcamp. So in this chapter 2, we're going to be talking about how to use TradingView. I have my friend Victor on the call as well, and he's also going to be learning. We have another student that's going to be joining us later, but for now, I'm just going to teach Victor because Victor was the only one that was able to get on call. So for first of all, TradingView, you're going to go to tradingview.com. Victor already did this, so I'm just going to run this through real quick so you guys can just download it as well. So what you're going to do is go to tradingview.com, click Get Started. After you click Get Started, you should see this box right here that says $0 forever. You're going to click Sign Up. Type in all your information. I've already done that already. Just remember that you don't have to pay for TradingView. Your data is going to be delayed by 15 minutes. Unless you're trading on TradingView, you don't really need the live data as of right now. So you can just work with it, play with it, learn it. As you're learning it, you can invest into these different packages later. But at the moment, all these packages have 30 days for free, so you could try it out, see how you like it. But honestly, you don't need to get past the essential, the $12 a month one. I don't pay for anything, so I have delayed. I only use TradingView for my charting, and I trade on TopStep. So yeah, now that we have that downloaded, you should have TradingView up like this. And then I'm going to teach you guys how to use TradingView right now. All right, so I know I sent you the video, Victor. Yeah. Tell me what you know so far so that way I can build upon it and then teach these guys as well. So what are you confused with when you watch the video? Or should I just go from the beginning and teach you straight up?
Yeah, pretty much, bro. Just do that.
Okay, I'm going to just teach you straight up then. All right, so once you open TradingView, you're going to see...
Wait, so they could pretty much hear me, bro? They could
hear
what I'm saying and shit?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, so the crazy thing is, bro, I thought about this the other day. I was like, hey, if I'm teaching you guys and I'm posting a course online, why don't I just record our calls and use that as a way to teach them? You know what I mean? Because I don't think anybody on YouTube teaches where it's the people watching are fly on the wall to an actual classroom. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Nobody does that. So it's I'm putting, it's pretty crazy, to be honest with you. It's fucking sick. It's they're going through a boot camp, but they're watching 2 other people go through a boot camp.
Jesus Christ, Nate.
It's fucking dope. I think I'm the only one that's ever done that.
They're watching an educated ass person. I don't know what the
bro, it's okay. We're all uneducated.
I think Nick comes up with more questions than me, bro, to be honest.
No, it's okay. It's okay. No, once we start getting into these chapters that I'm gonna be recording and posting, we're gonna be trying to. You have time today, right?
Yeah. It's just until hopefully I don't wake anybody up, but yeah, I have time.
All right, we'll try to be as chill as possible then.
Oh, no, there you go. Nick just joined.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, sorry.
All right, perfect. Yeah. Okay, we have both students. Welcome, Nick. You're being recorded for YouTube right now.
All right.
If you can go to my screen share, you can see exactly what I'm doing right now.
Yep.
Let me know when you guys are ready.
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, like I said before, Nick. So this is Nick. This is Victor. They're both gonna be in the boot camp that I'm teaching, while you guys are watching the boot camp on YouTube, which is going to be crazy because I don't think anybody ever does that. So you guys are going to be a fly on the wall watching these 2 learn as I'm teaching them. So any questions that they ask could give you guys a little bit of a more insight on how you guys can ask your questions in the comments. Also, please don't be negative. These 2 are learning just like you guys are learning. If any of you guys have been trading and have experience, if I see any negative comments, I'm deleting this shit and you guys are never getting a video again. So we're all here to learn. No comments, no negative comments. Be positive. We're all here to help each other. All right. So back to this. You guys have already downloaded TradingView. Nick, if you can, open up. Are you looking at my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So everybody's thing should have this when they first start, right? TradingView is very default when you first download it. I'm gonna break down each thing that you guys need, and only the things that you need. So I'm gonna get rid of this. Actually, no, my shortcut. So this is your shortcut bar right here, right? These are gonna be all the tools on the left right here. You got your trash, you got your hide indicator. So this I button right here is going to be for like, if let's say you do like one of these, right? You press the I button and it hides it and shows it and hides it, right? And then, so we're gonna go through each thing. So these are gonna be the tools on the side that you're going to need, but you're not gonna use every single one. So if you guys can open your TradingView real quick, and I can tell you guys which ones to favorite, so that way you guys already have it and you don't have to search for it. This is gonna be your favorites bar right here. Anything that you favorite is gonna be popped up on here. So let me know when you guys open TradingView.
I'm on it right now.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, I got it open.
Okay, so go to the sidebar right here.
Okay.
You're gonna click on the first one should be like a crosshair, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go to the second one, and you're gonna star. There should be stars on the side every time you hover over every single one, right? So you're gonna star trend line, and this is gonna be specific. So the things that I'm making you guys star are gonna be specific to my strategy and the way that I trade, okay? Because my trading is as simple as possible. You don't really need all the stuff that I have favorited. It's just I never unstar them. You know what I mean? So I'm only gonna let you.
Yeah.
I'm only gonna star the ones that I use like on a daily basis. So it's gonna be the trend line.
Okay.
You're gonna star. You don't really need this. You don't really, actually, yeah. You star the horizontal line. You're gonna
Got it.
star the horizontal ray. So these can be used interchangeably. So let's say the horizontal line is just gonna make a, oh shit, I forgot I changed the color. Hold up, make it to black, there. So the horizontal line is just gonna make a line like infinitely from side to side, okay? So depending on which one you wanna use, the horizontal ray, depending on what point you put it at, is gonna start from there and go to the right. So it's gonna look like this. So this is the horizontal line on top, and this is the horizontal ray. So you're gonna use those two, and then go to the next one. It should be, the tab should be called Fibonacci.
Yes.
So you're gonna star Fibonacci retracement.
Okay.
GAN box. It should be the fourth one from the bottom.
Got it.
Nice.
And then we're gonna go to projection. So it should be the fourth tab. You're gonna star long and short.
Oh, wait, so
Hold on.
I'm not finding a projection on it.
Yeah, it's a little different over here.
Okay, so go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should be the fifth tab.
I have like long position and brush and then text.
You don't have a. Oh yeah, so click on it. Like there should be like a little arrow. So once you click it, it should open the whole thing.
Right.
And then just
Okay.
star long position and short position.
Long position and short position. Got
Yeah,
it.
so those are gonna
Got
be
it.
for those two are gonna be for like when you're taking your actual trade. So it's when you plot it, it's just gonna show you like what the risk to reward is gonna be. So like you move the bottom is gonna be your stop area, the top is gonna be your profit area.
Okay.
So like if it goes down, you're gonna be losing however much you risk, and then when it goes up, you're gonna be in profit. And it tells you exactly how much risk you're gonna do. So it doesn't tell you the actual risk that you're doing, but most of the time you're gonna calculate that yourself. So like based on like what kind of account you have, like let's say you have $50,000, right? So 1% would be, it's a 1 to 1.32, for example, on my screen, right? So 1%, and then 2% would be 1,000 to, you know.
Mhm.
And then the next tool you're gonna need would be, not these. It's going to be, I mean, if you want, you can star text, like just so you can, while you're trading, you can just put it, plot it, and then like write notes for yourself. But that's a personal choice type of thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
I normally do it, but that was when I first started. And then you're gonna go up to where it's like the paintbrush, and then you're gonna star rectangle.
Got it.
So rectangle and gang box can be used the same. They both make rectangles. It's just which one you like more. You know what I mean?
Okay.
The GAN box, it gives you numbers as well. So you can also use that as like different areas. Let's say like price is pulling back to a certain thing. You could use that as a way to like, you know, plot down. And then you're like, okay, I want price to go back up to this level or something like that. You know what I mean? It's a good indicator. Or you could remove all of the numbers like I did and just use it as a box. Depends on like your preference. As you learn, and I mean, as we go through this this course, you're gonna figure out like what your preferences are. You know what I mean? And how you want to use things. Okay, so now we got that all starred. We don't have to go through that later. Let's talk about TradingView itself. On the right here, you guys should have a watch list, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna, if you guys want to delete all of them, you can delete all of them now. So we're gonna set it up first. So you're gonna delete all of them. Press the plus sign.
Wait, hold up, Nate. Mine doesn't look like that.
What do you mean?
Hold up. I go on page. Because it's hard for me to see both screens at the same time. But
Okay, so it's on the right side. There
okay,
should be
I'm on the right.
there should be like a window that says watch list.
So the futures, right? The U.S. oil, gold, silver is what it's saying right now, but that's the ones that were already put on here. Do you
Yeah,
want me to
so-
delete all of those?
Yeah, if whatever. So we're gonna delete all those, and I'm gonna put in which ones you guys want. I mean, we're gonna put in like the ones that you guys should focus on.
Okay.
Watch, I'm gonna show you a picture, bro. It's just weird.
Yeah, send it into Discord.
Okay, I got it now. I clicked to the window's like the little tab right there, right?
Yeah, it should be like a little thing right here.
Okay, my shit was hidden. Okay.
Okay. So you see
And now I
watch
see a
list
bunch
now,
of
right?
like yeah,
Okay, so when you hover over one of the things, it should have like a little trash can.
I see it. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so just delete all of them.
Okay.
And then
And then
once you
hit the
delete them,
plus
we're
sign
gonna,
to it.
yeah. So we're gonna hit the plus sign, and we're gonna type in MNQ,
MQ.
MNQ,
Okay. MN.
and then you're gonna press plus, and then we're gonna search up MYM,
MYM.
and then you're gonna press plus. Then we're gonna search up MES, press plus, and then these are the three main ones I want you guys to focus on. Don't go anywhere else, because it's just gonna confuse you. The other ones are a little bit too much for beginners. Honestly, I would try to avoid NQ2, but it's good to learn NQ because NQ and ES correlate. So whatever NQ does, ES does. It's just good to have both, you know what I mean? But as a beginner,
Yeah.
I would say just focus on YM and ES. But if you wanna, if you feel a little bit more like confident in your abilities, I would go to NQ.
Okay.
But NQ, you just have to remember that NQ is more volatile than ES. So like,
Watching those numbers jump all around, yeah.
yeah. So NQ is way more volatile than ES. But
Hey,
they
can you
move.
repeat those again for me, Nate?
It's gonna be MYM,
MYM. Sorry about that, bro.
No, you're good.
I'm new to the computer stuff. What is it again? Sorry, because I'm
MYM.
MYM. Got it.
Then press the plus sign, and then you're gonna search up MES.
Press the plus sign. Yes.
Then you're gonna search up
Okay.
MNQ. So these are gonna be the micro versions of NASDAQ, S&P 500, and Dow Jones. So Dow Jones is similar to NQ, NASDAQ, but it's not as volatile. So it moves exactly like NASDAQ does, where it like does crazy numbers, but it's not going to do what NQ does. So sometimes NQ will just drop randomly and then go back up. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Whereas like YM, Dow Jones will drop like slightly and then go up. So it's not as like scary. It's more stable
For
than
sure.
NQ. NQ, you make a shit ton of money if you can like get your psychology right. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like if you don't freak out, you can trade NQ pretty well and you'll make a lot of money. But if you freak out, I would say stay away from NQ and focus on the other two first. And then once you build your confidence, then I would step into NQ.
Okay.
Okay, so now that we have those three, we're not gonna really like go into it yet, but I just want to teach you guys how to use TradingView. So, do you guys watch the video, right? I know Vic said he was a little confused. Did you watch the video, or did you not get a chance?
Me? I did. I watched the video, but like he said, it throws a lot of information at you really fast.
Okay, so you guys are. This is as simple as possible. Okay, so you guys have your favorites already. You're gonna need that when we start trading. You guys have your watch list done, and now we're gonna go to the top. So up here, these are gonna be your times right here. I'm gonna remove everything, and then I'm gonna put in exactly what you should. So you should be able to open a tab, right? Yeah. So when you click on, you see how it says 15M on my screen?
Yeah.
So these are going to be your times. So the times meaning it's going to be showing you how each bar, these are called candlesticks, right? So each candlestick represents a time, right? So one candlestick would be 15 minutes. Every candlestick is 15 minutes. And then depending on what you change it to, so like each bar on this one is going to be 1 minute. And then you keep going 1 hour and all that stuff, right? So we're going to star the ones that you're going to only use. So we're going to star the 1 hour, the 5 minute, and the 15 minute. The 15 and the 5 minute.
1 hour.
I'm going to skip every single thing that you do not need. So these are the only things that you need. And for you guys watching on...
Yeah.
Huh? Say again?
Can you pull up how to bring up that menu again? Because I'm trying to find it and it's not. There, up at the top. Gotcha, candlesticks. Okay.
Yeah. No. So not candlesticks. It should be like we're over here.
Time. Yeah, seconds. Okay, so one more time.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
So right here, you're gonna favorite 1 hour, 15 minute, and 5 minute.
15 minute and 5 minute.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the one that you're not using that's added to that bar is just gonna disappear after a while.
Okay.
So the next to it is gonna be like a little Nike logo that says line. Right? You're not gonna need that. You're gonna stick to candles only, but we're gonna go through the line chart later on in the strategy chapter of this course. But at the moment, we can just ignore that. So it's gonna stay on candles. Indicators, you do not need. Okay. People that use indicators are just confuse the shit out of themselves. The way I'm gonna teach you how to trade is just gonna be with lines and boxes. That's it. So indicators you don't need. Alerts, depending on if you pay for the premium version, the $12.95 a month version, you can add alerts to like certain areas. You know what I mean? So like, let's say you don't want to pay attention to the chart for a long, like, staring at the chart all day. You can put an alert there and say like, hey, whenever price hits this point, tell me. You know what I mean? And it's just gonna beep loud as shit.
Okay.
Yeah. And then the replay button, I don't pay for the premium version, so I can't really show you the replay button. But when you click replay, you're gonna be able to scroll backwards in time, right? So like, let's say all of this right here, when you press the replay button, you can click on a specific area and everything to the right is going to disappear. And then you can play through and then practice in replay mode. You know what I mean? So like, you can scroll to a random area, click replay mode, click on a specific area, everything will disappear. And then you could just like tap to the right to like fast forward, and every single bar will pop up individually, and then you could kind of like practice that way. That is what you call back testing. So most people use backtesting as a way to basically practice their strategy, right? But I don't want you guys to ever backtest, because backtesting is stupid. It's so stupid because it doesn't teach you like how the live market does. You know what I mean? So like, when you're backtesting, you're only using like historical data of shit that already happened to backtest. You know what I mean? So it doesn't like, because the market is going to change every single day. You know what I mean? So you can't really use backtesting as a way to practice. It's just a waste of time. So a lot of people that do it, I'm sorry for you guys that are watching that do backtest. You guys are dumb. I'm sorry. That backtesting helps you in no way. But okay, let's keep going. This right here, the arrow, is just if you place a box right here, right, and then you didn't mean to do that, it's just a back button, like an undo or a fast forward.
Yeah.
Unnamed, this part right here is like, let's say you set up your TradingView to like a certain way you want it to look. You can save it and then put it as a template. The next ones are just TradingView, like little things, the settings, the quick search and stuff like that. You don't really need that. I never touch those stuff. Okay, now so let's get to the chart now. So over here, you're gonna have your sell and your buy button, right? These are gonna be what you press when you're going to make a trade. But when you press it, it doesn't automatically go into a trade. So when you press it, it's just gonna pop up a little thing right here. And this is where you see all of your shit. So like, how I taught you guys in the terminology, the market orders, the limit orders, the stop losses and stuff like that. This is where you're gonna be doing all that stuff. And then if you scroll down, you're gonna see the contract. You know how I taught you guys what tick value was and all that stuff? That's gonna be at the bottom where it says order info.
Okay.
So if you don't have a calculator, you can use this area at the bottom to tell you how much risk you're using. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And then, yeah, so you can switch to limit order, stop order. We're going to be going through that in the next chapter. Right now, we're just in the TradingView chapter. And then, so after that, we're going to go to the chart right here. I'll break down how to use it. The bottom is going to be your time. Your horizontal axis right here is going to be your time. Let me know if you guys are confused, okay? Or if I'm going too fast.
Okay.
Victor, you good?
My bad. I gotta keep my. I can't really talk right now. I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah, okay. So the bottom is going to be your time. The side on the right, your vertical axis, is going to be your price. Okay? And then anything you guys need to do, you can just, I would say, well, on a computer, it would be left click, right? No, it would be right click. And it will bring up like the menu. So you can also buy or sell from the menu right here as well too. And then you can reset the chart. Like, let's say you scrolled all the way to this side and you don't want to scroll all the way back manually. You just press reset and it'll bring you back. And then, so we're going to adjust it a little bit. So I want you guys to press right click to bring up the menu, and you're going to go to settings. And this is where you're going to adjust everything. So like the background color and all this stuff. So what I want you guys to do first is go to, it should be, okay, it's gonna be scales and lines. And you're gonna go scroll all the way to the bottom, and you're gonna change the time hours format to 12 hours instead of 24. And then just give me a confirmation when you guys are ready.
Yep. Good to
Okay.
go.
And then that's all you're gonna do when you're for now. So later on, once you guys get used to the trading platform a little bit more, you guys can customize it. Like the candle bars, I don't want you guys to touch just yet. You know what I mean? Like mine, I changed the colors to black and white because I already know which individual one means. But at the moment, just keep it green and red so that you guys don't get confused.
Okay.
Okay, so that's gonna be TradingView. Let me know if you guys have any questions on what you guys are confused about. It's pretty easy. I took out all the fluff and I basically let you guys. Oh, another thing, the magnet right here on the left side. When you turn that on or off, it's basically like a snap. So like when it's on, it's gonna snap to exactly where you put your thing.
Nice. Okay.
And when you turn it off, you can move your shit freely without it like magnetizing itself to a candle. So like for example, let's say a trend line. Like that shit's crooked, right? But if I put the magnet on, it'll snap directly to the candles.
Gotcha.
Oh, and if you want to draw the trend line straight, by the way, so you draw it, but hold shift. And it'll keep it straight.
God, what's her?
Yeah.
Okay.
So hold shift and hold the trend line at the same time. And then you're going to click to place it, and it should stay exactly like perfectly straight. Because when you do it without holding it, it's like crooked.
Gotcha.
Okay. So yeah, those are all the things that you're going to use. The favorites tab is everything that you're going to need to be a beginner trader. You don't really need anything else. I'm going to explain what the Fibonacci retracement is and all the other stuff later on, but most of it should be self-explanatory. The trend line is just for you to draw lines and stuff, which you're going to be using a lot. The rectangle, we're going to actually be using in my strategy, so I need you guys to have that. The long and short is just for you guys to plot your stuff whenever you're about to take a trade, so you can kind of have a visual of like how much risk and how much reward you're going to be going in with, you know? It helps you place your targets and stuff better. The horizontal line, same thing as the box, but for me, I use the rectangle for my strategy. You guys can use the horizontal box after. It's based on preference. After I teach you guys can choose which one you want, you know. But I use majority of the stuff. Okay, so yeah, that's TradingView. If you guys are confused on anything, let me know now before we move on to the meat and potatoes.
Quick question.
Yeah.
Are you gonna be able to send us this video later?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna be.
Well, I'm gonna be posting on YouTube, so you can just rewatch it. Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, cause I'm kind of having trouble on keeping up with both screens, but having both tabs open. But
Okay.
I'm figuring it out little by little as I go. Cause I'm new to this shit.
Which parts did? I told you to let me know if I was going too fast, bro.
I'm not gonna stop, bro. I'm not gonna
No,
stop,
tell me if I'm going too fast. I want you to learn.
No.
Yes.
No. I'm gonna watch the video and I'm gonna see what I missed. Trust
All
me.
right.
Yeah.
All right.
I don't want to take you back like that.
See, this is good. This is good that I'm recording it then, so you can watch it back.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah. That's why I was like, I thought about it. I was like, there's no point in stopping them. I could just listen to it later.
Makes sense.
Okay, so I have one thing. I don't know what I clicked or whatever, but I have the candlestick. My chart is different. I'm on the watch list ones that you're at, but my chart is going up like it made hella money today, and I know that's not what happened.
Wait, what?
It's like, yeah, my chart has like the candlesticks and bars at the bottom, and I'm trying to find out. I'm still on the micro E mini S&P 50.
Okay. And
But-
then
But so far, bro, you've been explaining it pretty nice. Way better than the other video.
I'm just watching your screen right now. That's all I'm saying.
Okay.
That's what I'm trying to do too. I'm not trying to go to the other screen.
Wait, what? But okay, but
Then I get lost.
go back to yours real quick, and then like explain to me what's going on because I'm confused. Like, what do you mean it's making like? Oh, you're seeing like like this. Are you seeing this? Is what you're talking about?
No.
Oh,
No,
okay.
I'm gonna send you a picture real quick.
Yeah, send me a picture.
But he wants you to send it through Discord.
Yeah, send
That's
it.
what I'm doing right.
See, I don't even know how to do that, bro. Stupid. God damn. That's how I knew how to figure it out.
Wait, you don't know how to like take screenshots and shit?
Nah, I
Wait,
don't know how
no,
to use the
actually, I
computer,
think Apple doesn't allow you to take screenshots like that.
bro. I don't even know what the fuck. My first time opening his computer, bro. Like, really fucking with it.
It won't let me send a picture on my phone.
I'm gonna look at
On
that video
Discord.
like 20
I'm
billion
on
times.
that.
Bro, you were cutting to the cheese. I like that. I fucking like it.
Yeah, I don't want because when I was learning too, a lot of the stuff that people teach, it's just too much, bro. Like, tell me the shit that I
Yeah.
need, not all the useless information.
Exactly.
I only sent you guys that because that's the one that I watched, and I thought you guys would have got it. But
I'm telling you, bro, your mind works different, man.
no, it was confusing to me too. Like, but I thought you guys would have like understood it more than I did, so I sent it to you. That was also the only video that I watched to learn how to use this shit.
Okay,
I
so
see.
I just sent that.
Where'd you send it?
How'd you do it?
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So what?
Like,
This
I
is
was
what
going back and forth on things.
I know
so I was
exactly
trying
what
to
you're talking
figure
about.
out
Okay, so press
Okay.
right click on your screen to bring up the menu,
Yeah.
and then press remove indicators.
Remove indicators.
Yeah.
Boom, there we go.
Yeah, so those bars on the bottom is called the volume indicator. So when I say you don't need
but
indicators,
Yeah.
so when I say you don't need indicators, that's exactly what I mean because it confused the shit out of you. You know what I mean?
Definitely. That's what I was like, what is going on right now? And here's
Yeah.
another question, though. Look at that picture,
Okay.
right? And tell me that that's not the chart you're looking at, because that's not at all what's on your screen.
Oh, you're just super zoomed in. You're on the monthly time frame.
Monthly time frame. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So I was only on like the 5 minute.
Yeah, okay, yeah, that's what I've got it now. Perfect, we're good now. Thank you.
Yeah.
Because I was breaking everything and moving stuff around and going from one screen to the other, and I got really lost.
I
So
pressed
thank you
I
for
pressed so
clearing
many
that
buttons, Nick. You have no idea.
up.
I pressed so
Thank you
many
for clearing
buttons.
that up.
I gotta refresh my shit. Watch. Tomorrow's gonna look better, bro.
All right. Yeah. So now that you guys have the video, you guys can rewatch and see what you like.
Exactly.
I think it would have been easier if you guys just watched my screen and then did it afterwards.
Exactly, bro.
My fault. That's my fault.
That's kind of what I was trying to tell you in the beginning. I was like, fuck. I try to go back and forth.
All right, that's my fault.
bro.
Learning curve, we're good.
All right.
Thank you,
So
bro, man.
I'm gonna close out this video. Thank you guys. This is chapter 2 of how to day trade. This was the TradingView, how to use TradingView. I hope I didn't confuse you guys like I confused them. Just rewatch it as many times as possible. I'm sorry. And then
We'll get it. What? Sure.
and then we're gonna go into the next chapter. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.